Hello, Arshia. And
Hello, ma'am.
first tell me
Hi,
about
how are
yourself.
you? Yeah, so
Fine,
this
how
is
are you?
Arshia Julma. I'm good, I'm good. So this is Arshia Julma. I'm from Kanigiri, Andhra Pradesh, and I have done my master's from Andhra University in Visakhapatnam. Mm.
Okay. And the interview is on the topic of non-linear data structure. So can you
Okay, ma'am.
tell me something about non-linear data structure?
So the data will be arranged in an hierarchical order. Hierarchical order.
Okay.
So whereas in linear data structure, the data will be arranged in sequential, but in non-linear, it will be arranged in hierarchical order.
Okay. Okay. That's really great. Can you give me any two examples of non-linear data structure
Trees and graphs.
and any more if you can? Any more examples of non-linear data structure?
Heap.
Okay. And
Hmm. Priority queue will comes under linear data structure. Heap, I guess.
can we say
Graphs,
linked
trees.
list is a non-linear data structure?
Trees can be implemented by using linked list also. So if such a case, we can call it as a non-linear data
And
structure.
if such not case, then we can't say linked list is a non-linear data structure.
It might be linear data structure, non-linear. I'm not sure.
So why linked list is known as non-linear data structure?
Linked list.
There are two options.
Huh.
First is
Hmm.
access strategy. Based on the access
Hmm.
strategy, we can say that
Hmm.
linked list is a non-linear data structure, or option number
Hmm.
B, based
Hmm.
on the storage strategy.
Storage strategy.
Yes. What is the reason?
That means in the memory will be allocated in the random order. As in arrays, it will be allocated in the sequential order.
Okay.
Is it true?
Yes, yes, yes. Based on the access strategy, linked list is a linear
Okay.
data structure, and based on the
Based on
storage
the
strategy, it is known as non-linear data structure.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, my next question is, which data structure we use to implement databases?
Databases. Tree.
Yes. Which type of tree?
Binary.
Binary. It's a specific type
I
of
guess.
tree that we use to implement databases.
Binary tree. Or relational RDBMS will be in the table form.
We use B tree or B plus tree to implement
Okay.
data
B tree.
to
B
perform
plus. Got
index.
it. Got it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great,
Okay.
great.
Got it.
Now, can you tell me any one data structure we use in compiler design?
Compiler.
Yes.
Trees we will use Human. Symbol table implementation.
Symbol table. Yes, that's
Hmm.
great. Why we use symbol table data structure in compiler design?
Hierarchical order we will store the data to access for the accessing purpose, easy access
Which type
of the
of
data.
data we store in symbol table data structure?
Data structure, I didn't get it. Huh? Which type of?
I mean, which type of things we store in symbol table data structure?
Expression trees. I think no man, no idea.
We store scope information and binding information of variables, procedures,
Okay.
functions, names inside the
Achha,
symbol
got
table
it.
data structure.
Symbol table.
Yes.
Okay, got
And
it. Got
symbol
it.
table data structure is associated to every level of compiler, right?
Okay, okay. Yeah.
Can you tell me which data structure we use to implement symbol table? I mean, symbol
Trees.
table is itself a data structure, but it is also
Uh,
dependent on any data structure. Which type of data structure?
uh, Trees, stacks, queues. Mm.
No.
Then,
You can try. Yes, you can
yeah,
try.
linked list,
Yes,
linked list,
yes. And some more data structures we use to implement symbol table.
symbol table.
Yes.
Okay, priority queue. No.
We use linked list, hash table, and binary search
Okay,
tree.
got it.
The binary
Got
search,
it.
you
Got
can
it.
say that tree,
But
but the specific.
tree is okay. Binary search tree. Yeah.
Yes. But now my question is, in which data structure the time complexity is very less to implement symbol table data structure? I mean, you have three
Order
options
of yes. Already you said linked list, binary search tree,
and hash table.
and third
Which
hash
is
table.
best?
So
Which is
hash
best?
table, order of one time complexity will follows.
For which
In such a
operation?
case, we can for search operation, insertion operation.
For
Insertion
search,
operation, the hash table
yes. For insertion and search operation, for
search
both of them, it will take constant
will
amount of time. So hash
order of
table is the
one. Yeah.
best data structure to implement symbol table data structure.
Symbol table. Got
But
it.
if we consider binary search tree, then binary search tree, if want to implement symbol table data structure, then how much time it takes in insertion? and-
Order of in terms of search, it might be order of login.
Yes.
Insertion order of login.
Yes. For both the operations, it will take big or login time to implement symbol table data structure. Very good. Very good. Can you tell me any two data structure that we use in operating system?
Priority queues.
Priority queue as in what?
CPU scheduling algorithm. Round robin, we will use priority queue phenomena while
Yes.
implementing.
In which CPU scheduling algorithm we
implementation.
use queue?
Queue.
Yes.
Round robin.
Round robin. Which type of queue we use in round robin?
Priority queue.
Priority.
To store the priorities.
Can we say it with another name? Any other name?
For queue. For queues, ma'am.
Circular queue. Can we say circular queue
Circular
is
queue.
used to implement round robin CPU scheduling algorithm? Can we say FIFO queue is used in first come first serve scheduling?
First serve scheduling. Yes.
One you say queue, okay, and asked about two data structure.
And the second for implementing in operating systems.
Yes, any two data structure for the implementation in operating systems.
In compiler design, we will use trees.
Where we use tree in operating system.
Expression tree. That will be in compiler design.
Yes,
Compiler it will.
But I'm asking about operating system.
Priority queue. Any
It is done. It is done. Any one other? We can say
hint,
that.
Hint.
Yes.
Hint, ma'am. Any hint? Can I get any hint?
Okay, okay. Just remember process management part in the operating system.
Deadlocks also we will use heaps. Just a minute. Let me see.
Okay.
Process minute.
Which queue?
To store the resource sharing resources. Just a minute now. I read it, but I'm not getting.
Please take your time.
Yeah. While implementing the deadlocks also we will use process. If it is a process management, double-ended queue can be used. I think it's not stacks.
Where we
I have declared. I told all the options, all the data structures, but I don't know which is correct.
Exactly. Don't worry. So we use process control block. Process control block is also a data structure. No, process control block.
Okay.
Like in the case of
process control block is
yes. Like in the case of compiler design, we use symbol table data structure to store information about names, identifiers. Just like in operating system, we use process control block to store all the information processes. Right?
Got it.
But again, there are some implementation. Can you tell me any one implementation of process control block?
Implementation?
Yes. Using which data structure we implement process control block?
Actually, I don't have much idea about process control block, ma'am.
Okay,
So
actually,
it will be stacks.
No, it is
No.
doubly linked list. Doubly linked list.
Achha, okay.
We use doubly linked list to implement the process control block data structure. Okay.
Okay, got
Now,
it. Got it.
okay. So what if our operating system is lightweight? Then which data structure we use to implement process control block?
You told just now doubly linked list.
It's array. If our operating system is
Achha.
very easy, very lightweight, then why we will use circular
Okay.
linked list? We can use array, right?
Yeah, okay.
The answer is array. Can you tell me in LRU cache, which data structure we use?
Least recently used. Least recently used in the sense stacks.
Okay.
No.
Are you sure?
Wait, least recently used. I have to get the first one. I think stacks.
Please think it. Please think it. Take your time.
Yeah. Least recently used in the sense I have to access that one. So in order to access that last in, first out, it might be.
Can we use doubly linked list? Doubly linked list?
Doubly linked list. I think doubly linked list also. Maybe I'm not sure about it now. So this is for the first time I'm listening all this doubly linked list.
No issues, no issues.
I'm happy that at least I learned
Doubly
now.
linked list. The answer is doubly linked. Okay.
Achha, okay.
Okay. So some more questions are there. Can you tell me a tree with 64 nodes can be a perfect binary tree?
Tree with 64 nodes.
64 nodes can be a perfect binary tree?
Yes, ma'am. 2 power 6. Every node will have the 2 children, no, at least.
Can you tell me something about perfect binary tree?
Perfect in the sense it should have 2 nodes or 0 nodes.
No, it's
full. I have a doubt. Is full binary tree and perfect binary tree both the same?
You are asking doubts from me. No. Full binary tree. This is full binary tree in which every node has 0 or 2 children.
There are 2 children and all the leaves should be at the same level. Perfect binary tree, it should have 2 children. That will be strict binary tree.
Yes, perfect binary tree is different. Strict binary tree is different. Strict binary tree is also known as full binary tree, where every node has 2
or 0 children. Then perfect binary tree should have 2 children.
No. In perfect binary tree, all the levels are completely filled.
All the levels are completely filled. Okay.
So I am asking you, a tree with 64 nodes can be a perfect binary tree? Again, I'm asking you.
I got it. Huh? No. Root node will be there.
Then what? How many number of nodes are required to construct a perfect binary tree? Which
65.
65.
Are you sure? If it is a 65, it might be a perfect binary tree because root node will be there, no?
No, it's wrong.
No.
Using 63 nodes, we can construct a perfect binary.
Minus one. Yeah.
Like perfect binary tree is what? Imagine there is a tree with 3 nodes. Okay. One is root node, one in left, and one in right.
And right.
Using 3 number of nodes, you can construct a perfect binary tree. Again 3, then 7, then 15, then 31, and then 63.
63.
So always remember that perfect binary tree can never be even. It is always odd.
Odd.
64 is even. That is why it is not a perfect binary tree. Okay. Then can you tell me in full binary tree how to calculate the number of leaf nodes? There is a formula.
Number of leaf nodes. Yes, ma'am. Just a minute. Okay. N-1 into I plus.
Yes, please.
N-1 into I. Yes. Plus number of internal nodes. It is something like minimum leaf nodes, no?
Yes.
2n minus 1 into I plus.
In full binary tree, as you said, in full binary tree, every node has 0 or 2 children, right? So imagine a full binary tree with 5 number of nodes, and you want to calculate the leaf nodes. Then leaf node is always equal to degree 2 nodes plus 1.
Degree 2 nodes plus 1. Then n1 plus 1. N not equal to n1 plus 1.
Yes, yes.
That's it, right?
Yes.
Is it true, ma'am?
Which thing?
N not equal to.
It is, you can say n naught is a leaf node. If n naught is a leaf node and n1 is the degree 2 node, then you can say this
degree 2 node.
Imagine a tree with 3 number of nodes.
Okay. And what we have?
Don't take it as n0 and n1. You can say this simply that number of leaf node is equal to degree 2 node plus 1, because leaf nodes are always greater than degree 2 nodes by 1.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then my questions are over, and I hope the interview is good.
Yes, really. Very nice, ma'am. Whatever questions you revise those concepts once again. I feel like that.
Sure, sure.
And most probably it may be helpful for me in upcoming NET exam. Sure. At least one few questions. Most of the questions, whatever you ask, are very good, ma'am.
How was the level? How was the level of interview?
Level of interview is medium, ma'am.
Medium. Okay.
Medium.
Okay.
That means I can't say, it might be easy, but I didn't prepare well, so I think. So that's why I felt medium.
Okay, but you're great that you have taken an attempt to interview this session. Okay. That's it. I'm very well prepared. It is not that you are not prepared, you are well prepared, but just you can do some more hard work so that you can achieve better results in future.
Yes, yes. So few concepts, whatever you have asked me now, I think I have to revise more those particular
Please
concepts.
watch this video again and also you can get some concepts, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am.